Yeah, I got my friend who's really in trouble. When I say in trouble, she's been here 5 years ago. Okay.
Right.
She come on a tourist visa and she overstayed it.
Right.
And but her mom is a resident here since 2 years, and she got her sister that is a citizen. She been robbed. The house that she was living, she been robbed. But some people advised her to apply for a U visa.
Was she physically injured?
No.
Okay, if you don't have an injury, you can't get a U visa, so that's not the way to go. All right.
Okay.
So let's
but I want to know what she can do. What she can do.
You're asking me how does somebody get a green card? She would need to have a consultation. I know U visa is not going to be it.
Yeah,
right?
but what she can do for a situation.
You're asking me how somebody I don't know can get a green card, and that requires a consultation. I don't have the crystal ball to say go fill this form out and you get a green card. All right, I would need to meet with her and figure it out. But I could tell you she doesn't qualify for a U visa because on a U visa you need to have an injury. You not only have to be a victim of a crime, but be injured as well.
There you go.
All right.
All right. Our next social media question comes from Alea Perez saying, "Hey, squad family, can I travel to France with a green card? If not, what should I do to be able to travel to that country?"
Well, it depends what country you're a citizen of. If you are a citizen of a country that France does not need you don't need a visa to enter France, then just go with your passport from whatever country you're from. If you are from a country that France requires a visa, you have a green card, go to the embassy of France and apply for a visa. And I'm sure they will give it to you because you have a green card in the United States.
All right. Karina is saying, "Hey, Brad, if someone filed an I-130 for a child, but the person had a kid while he was waiting for it to be approved, will this be a problem?"
An I-130 for a child and the kid had a kid?
The person had a kid. So I don't think the kid had a
So
kid. I think the person who was going to file for them had a kid.
Petitioner?
Because I think you have to have a certain amount.
That doesn't
right?
matter.
Okay. Frankie saying, "Hey, sir, I-130 and I-485 was denied. I filed an appeal for the I-130. USCIS reopened the I-130 and then approved it. Do I have to file the motion to reopen to reconsider the form for the I-485?
I think Frankie I spoke to on the phone.
Okay.
And I said, go down, make an InfoPass appointment. The I-45 should be opened automatically.
Okay.
If not, it's too late to make the motion and just file a new I-45.
All right. Ayanda is saying, "Would conditional green card face public charge when removing condition if used Medicaid?"
No.
All right, Shelly Ann saying, "My husband filed an I-130 for me and my son. We got receipts for mine, but nothing for my son. Mine came in, so what's going on?"
Well, I don't know what's going on. Maybe your mailman has your receipt. Maybe it's lost in the mail. But what you really got to do is see if the filing fee check got cashed. If the filing fee check got cashed, they're going to write the case number on the filing fee check. And then you know it's your case number and you can follow up with immigration.
All right.
If the filing fee check was not cashed, you got a problem.
Ah, all right.
All right, so let's go back to the phones.
Yes.
Nobody seems to be doing watch parties today.
They were doing watch parties. We had a lot of people confirmed, but I want to see some more.
Their friends don't watch, I guess.
Yeah, Well, let me know how many of your friends are watching on your watch party. Maybe that's what, we need you guys not only to start your watch party. Now you guys have to go the extra mile because we started the watch parties and your friends are probably used to it now. So what I need you guys to not only press share, start a watch party and have it on your page, but you can literally go into the little section and say invite friends, and you can click individual friends to invite. So I need you guys to go the extra mile so you can make sure that this gets out to everybody, all right?
And on YouTube, there's not even a mile to go. It's like walk across the street. Just press the thumbs up button.
Press that thumbs up. We got 41 right now, but 230 people watching. I need you guys, every single one of you guys, to press that thumbs up. Turn that gray thumb blue.
All right, let's go to Tim in Brooklyn. Tim.
Hey, brother, how you doing today?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I have a question. I have a SIJ case that's pending, and it's from 2017. I got my work permit already with it, and I applied for a renewal. But under I-360, they sent me a request for evidence from in February, saying something about the court order. We responded. We can't get back a response. On the 485, we haven't received anything.
You're obviously you were between 18 and 21 when the guardianship was done. I assume you're over 20. You sound older than 21 now.
Right.
But the court order, there was a class action suit, and the court said that people who had the SIJs done between 18 and 21 should be able to get a green card. So if you haven't heard anything yet, we're suggesting to people, we have cases where we're still waiting, in a similar situation like yours. We're suggesting to our clients to file mandamus. I would suggest to you to do as well, because immigration's dragging their feet on these cases.
And then one more part of it is when I file what do you call that, when you the thing when you call them and make the inquiry. When you call them on the phone.
InfoPass.
No, not the InfoPass. The one.
I don't know, a telephone
the
call.
other one. Service request.
Okay, telephone call. I don't know. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and then when they gave us the response now on the 485, they're saying that the visa number is regressed.
There is no visa regression for SIJ cases.
Because that's on both times. That's what they.
Okay. There's no. Okay.
Back.
So what I would suggest, service requests are wastes of time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's my experience. Hold on 1 second.
I'm glad you picked my call. This is my 6th month watching this show.
Oh, thank you.
You are doing the
Appreciate
best
it.
among the rest.
Thank you.
You are doing the best among the rest. I'm so glad.
Thank you.
Okay, now I was able to
I don't
get
know
my
there was others, but
citizenship.
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh well.
Okay.
You will know, but we know.
Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I was watching the show, so I got my citizenship, following all the steps you've been telling us on this show. So it was very helpful. And the second thing is, like, I have a cousin that has a complicated issue, which I think I'll need a consultation for her.
Okay. What is your question? You have any question? You just like to sing my accolades?
Yeah. The question is, like, she's seeking asylum in Europe, and she got like U.S. citizen kids. So then she's trying to see how can she relocate over here with her kid.
I don't know how to do asylum in Europe.
Oh, okay.
All right, that's
Thank
beyond
you
my
so much.
expertise. I'm sorry.
I didn't plan actually to move to the States, so I came June 17th through like a business, like a B1 visa. And my wife, she's American citizen, and I have 3 kids. So they've been here like since December 16. So what happened is my daughter had a surgery last week, and I actually canceled everything. So I decided to stay. So we actually filed everything, and I received a text message during the Halloween time. So I received a text message to the USCIS.
What did you file? Tell me what you filed.
I filed the AOS, Adjustment of Status, so Form I-130, Form I-14485,
Okay. And your question is what?
and I filed the EAD for the Employment Authorization Document.
And who is your petitioner? Your wife?
My wife was my petitioner, yeah.
All right, so what is the question?
So we've been married for 5 years, so I don't know if there's an issue with that.
No,
Okay.
the fact that you've been married for 5 years, you're going to get a 10-year card, not a 2-year card. Even better.
All right, that sounds good.
Okay,
so I have another question, though. So when I came to the States, so my wife were actually using the government assistance like food stamp, child cares, and all those kind of things. So I don't know if it's going to, really impact.
Is she off it now?
You say?
Is she off now?
No, we're not off it now. No, she still have it.
Get off.
You say what?
Get off. There was a movie, Get Out. This is another movie, Get Off. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
That's
the sequel
good.
to Get Out.
Thank you, Brad.
Get off.
How do I change my son's date of birth on the Form N-400 if I entered it wrong on the Form I-751? Is it faster to apply for naturalization online and upload all the paperwork?
No, just get the I-751 completed, and if there's a problem on the form when you go to the interview, you'll fix it.
Okay, Monica Law is saying, I have a friend who got married to a veteran who's on child support. Can he file for her?
Yes.
Marissa Brown says, do you have to attend the interview with a lawyer?
I would.
I definitely would,
Yes.
too. Sam Sahara is saying, can someone travel on the travel document if they have a third-degree felony conviction?
I don't know what the third-degree felony conviction is,
Yeah,
but it doesn't sound very promising to
Does
travel.
not.
It does not sound promising to travel.
And we have one more. Samora is saying, what if you smoked marijuana in the past? Can it affect you in your I-130 petition? For example, if you have pictures with yourself and marijuana on Facebook and Instagram.
I don't think it'll affect your I-130 petition, but when you go on the interview, if they believe that you're abusing marijuana for your adjustment interview or for your consular processing interview, they can deny you for drug abuse.
I just want to say, y'all have to understand that stuff on the internet will always be on the internet, and that is literally like your resume now.
So dumb. Everybody looks.
I'm gonna tell you something,
Thank
and I'm gonna
you,
keep it
Yo-Yo.
real with you.
Thank you, Yo-Yo.
Don't do shit for clout. Like smoking weed on the gram and Facebook for likes. listen, you will get your ass sent back real fast. Wherever, you will not get a job if they're looking at your Instagram and your Facebook. Don't do stuff for clout. I'm telling you right now, don't do it.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.